Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you every trick by which you can use to translate Chinese character to English language on Idlefish. Okay, but before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, hit on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you want to join my paid course, you want to learn more about importation business, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video, only if you have interest in the paid class. Okay. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688 Sahoba or Pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce platform, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business if you have interest. Okay, so let's get straight to the tutorial and see how you can translate from Chinese character to English language or whichever language of your choice, so you'll be able to understand what is written right from the app, which is called Idlefish. Now, a brief overview about Idlefish for some of the people that doesn't understand what Idlefish is all about. Idlefish is also a Chinese e-commerce platform whereby you can procure used item. Okay, 85% of products on Idlefish, they are used item at a very cheaper price. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can translate on the app so you understand what the supplier are trying to talk about the particular product. So follow me as I show you step by step. All right guys, so this is the app. When you have successfully download the app and install it on your phone, you're going to have something like this. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right away. Wow, so this is the interface of the Idlefish. Okay, now I have successfully logged into the app. Okay, now everything here was written in Chinese character. And if you are a foreigner, you might find it difficult to understand what is going on here. Okay, there's no magic. All you have to do is to try and see how you can translate. You can see product here. 85% products here, they are used item. Okay, they are used item. So you can buy it at a very cheap price. You can contact the supplier. You can chat them up, discuss whatsoever you want to know further about the product before you can actually make payment with your Alipay. Now, in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how you can translate from Chinese character to English language. Now, I'm going to use an application called iDictionary, but in some cases, iDictionary fail in this Idlefish app. This is because this is a pure Chinese platform. But another alternative to translate some of the area that was unable to that we were unable to translate when you are using your iDictionary. I'm going to show you guys another method by which you can use to translate those areas. So the first method we are going to use to translate in this app in Idlefish is to use iDictionary. So let me go to my phone screen here. This is iDictionary right here. So you have to, if you don't have iDictionary downloaded, install on your phone, it is a free app. All you have to do is to go to Google Play Store, search for iDictionary, download it and install it on your phone. It's a free app. Then you'll be fine whenever you need it to translate from Chinese to English character. So I'm going to just click on it right away because I have it installed on my phone already. So in case if you don't have, just go to Google Play Store and get it done. All right, so just click on here to make it on. You can see it's on already and ready to be used. Okay, so I have to exit from the app. Then I have to go back to the Idlefish. Now, you see, you can just drag and take it to the. Okay, you can see. So I need to set up permission before I can use the dictionary. So just click on set permission in case if it asks from your home end also. Just click anywhere again and wait for the next step. So here you need to click on here. Okay, so at this point here you need to click on here to make it on. Finally, you click on OK. So this simply means that High Dictionary is ready to use. So let's quickly go back to Fish and see how we use it. Okay, so we can drag it all over to an area we need to translate. Let's say I need to translate this place here. You see, it's not translate, but it can translate stuff like this. Now, what I'm going to do is that, let's say for instance, I'm interested in this product here and I need to know more about the product, this product here. You see the product sold at 66, something like that. So let me just click on the product picture, then it load up. Okay. Okay, let me just let me make use of this uh, washing machine. You can see the number, the supplier number is even there, the seller number. You can see the seller number on the picture, on the product picture. You see, this is the seller number. You can contact them straight up. Now, you see, this product here was listed for how much? It was listed for 100 RMB. Like I said earlier, whatever you buy from here, 80% of product here, they are not a new product. They are used product, but working fine. Okay? So all you have to do is to understand how the app work so that you don't fall victim. So now here, these are the product information. The only thing we can read here is 10 kg. This simply means that this product here is the capacity of this product here is 10 kg. Okay. Now, we need to understand more details about the product. We can't just pay. That's the more reason why you need to translate from Chinese character to English language. So you can bring out the iDictionary and make use of global translation. Then the global translation, when you are trying to use global translation, it make it easy to scan the whole page and translate to English language in some cases. That is the main reason why you use global translation. But if global translation didn't work, you can just take it to the where you need to translate, but still not work. Okay. Now, at this point here, this is where people finding it difficult to translate on Fish. Okay, so the alternative way to know what is going on here, because you can't just proceed to purchase without know the condition of the product, the full details about the product. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to screenshot this particular page. Okay, so I'm going to screenshot it. Then after I screenshot this particular page, I will now go back to my phone screen right here, and I'm going to make use of WeChat account to translate that portion. All right, so here is my WeChat account. So I'm going to click on that. So having opened up your WeChat account, so the next step you have to take is to come to Discover right here. Click on Discover. So when you get to Discover, you need to come to the top here, click on Scan. Okay, so at this point here, you need to choose Translate. Click on Translate. So when you click on Translate, the next thing you have to do is to click on this icon here to upload picture. All right, so I'm going to select the picture. This is the picture we are going to use. So this one right here. So which app is going to scan it and translate it to English language? So let's see. So you can see now that everything has been fully translated. After you are done with your translation, you can now click on this icon to download this page. Now it has been saved to your phone album. So let's quickly go to my album and see this particular translation, what is written there. So here's my phone album. All right, so here's the picture. So you can expand and be able to read what is written now in English language, easy, without any stress. So you can see new company price, and this is the name of the seller. This is the name of the seller, and these are the product description. Brand new, an open 10 kg. Wow, the product is even a brand new 10 kg full automatic washing machine. Household washing machine, new package, large capacity washing. So like I said, in Hydrofish, 80% products there, they are used item. So while the remaining 20% are new items. So in some cases, you may come across a new product. So like this category of this washing machine now is a new product. So home has already bought, send this to stuff like that. You can just read everything once you are able to translate. So the further category about the products, the brand name, this is the brand name, washing kg above, and these are the further information uh, about the product. So year used, not used. So it simply means that they have not used it before. Condition, brand new. And the price is just 100 RMB. So you can see the price right here. So this is how you translate from Chinese character to English language on Hydrofish app. So let me quickly go back to the app. Then we see uh, so this is the Chinese character of everything we are able to translate in the Hydrofish.